Referee checks with both of his assistants, and we're off. We seem to have been waiting ages for this one, but it's underway at last. Problems here if he can get a cross in. Good keeping! That took some stopping.
Di Maria.
It's Messi. The keeper claims it.
Lallana.
Rooney. Oh, what a hit! They have opened the scoring here! It was superbly taken.
Well, that's just football at its very, very best.
So, here we go again. It's 1-0. Mascherano, Papadopoulos,
Aguero.
important tackle. Gerrard. Immediately under pressure. Gargo. Has a swing. Put the ball too close to the goalkeeper. It was easy for him.
Di Maria.
Free kick was given there. Gerrard. Now here's a chance. Flew just wide.
Well, I thought he would score there. Should have done better, I'm afraid.
Mancios. Gerrard. Papadopoulos. It's Messi. Henderson. It's Messi. Gerrard.
Lallana.
He's taken the defender on. Gerrard. Can't get it off him, can he? Has to try and cross it here.
It's defending to make strikers feel utterly useless and very small. They don't waste time, put the ball in the box.
I don't know who that ball was for. Mascherano.
Aguero.
Play on, says the ref, despite the protest. It's Messi. Now, can he shoot? Now, there's something on here. Clever turn. Needs to pick somebody out. Now, can he take the chance? What a save! Didn't just stop it, he hung on to it too.
Oh, Clive, that was a fine effort, but what a save.
Burst forward, not keeping the ball well. Here's Wayne Rooney. Now, can he get through? Higuain. Knocked into a good position. Sight of goal! Oh, I think he should have put that one away.
Oh, unlucky. Well, that's what separates the best from the rest. You get chances like that, you really have to take them. He hasn't there.
Still looking for an equaliser, still. Oh, what a goal! Oh, they're right back in this! It was an unstoppable shot.
Well, there's not a lot you can do. Some mistakes like that.
A one-goal lead never seems quite enough, and so it has proved. Nothing to choose between these two sides again.
Di Maria.
The opposition come away here. Gerrard. Sturridge. Here's Wayne Rooney. Shoots! Oh, and how much did that miss by?
Oh, good hit, son. Really good hit.
Mascherano. Saw him in space and he's found him. Sturridge. Good pass, found him unmarked. Did really well to win it there. Not a good pass, intercepted quickly. Oh dear, well, thankfully they can afford to waste chances now, but that one should have gone in too.
I just think with his quality, and with only the goalkeeper to beat, he should have done better.
Gerrard.
Di Maria.
It's Messi. This will test them. Shoot, will he? And the keeper just got a touch.
Well, he's had to concede the corner, but he won't mind. That was a fine save.
The end of the first 45 minutes. What stood out for you in that half, Andy? Mascherano. Aguero. Lallana. Gerrard.
Henderson.
Gerrard.
Di Maria.
Mascherano.
Henderson.
Gerrard. Garay. Mascherano.
Di Maria.
It's Messi. And they can clear their lines.
Henderson.
Here's Wayne Rooney. Mascherano. Gerrard. Gargo. Going to try and keep the ball here. Here's Wayne Rooney.
He's the man. The crowd are loving this.
You never quite know which one. Aguero. Higuain. Look at the players are throwing forward to attack. Knocked into a good position. He's in here. Oh dear, well, he can afford to smile. It wasn't very far away. It just finished the wrong side of the netting.
Well, he showed great skill to create the chance, but he'll be disappointed he's missed it.
Henderson.
Caught offside, but there's a lot of room behind the defence.
Oh, I tell you what, there's not much in that.
Aguero. Good combination play. That is definitely a foul.
Well, they couldn't have wished for a better position to strike this free kick from.
Had a blast! Oh, what a finish that is! It's all level again! All to play for now, the score's better, anything's possible. Well cut out. This'll test them. Can he finish it? Having a go! This isn't a match in which anybody can hide, it's so competitive. Pressure's one thing, but can they make it count? Defender just got back to make the interception. Read it well and made the tackle. Promising. Headed goalwards. Can he get a shot in? Wow, that was a narrow escape.
Yeah, that's a wonderful effort.
He just couldn't quite get himself balanced there. He never really looked like scoring. Mascherano. Lallana. Giving the ball away far too cheaply. Gargo. Trying to make the most of the spaces out wide. Just intercepted, saw that coming. Oh, he's lost it, there were possibilities there. Gargo. Mascherano. It's Messi. Lallana. Second half is almost over, but the two teams still level pegging. Had to get the ball there, and he did. Oh, look at the space he's got here. It's opened up. Just a little on the high side.
Yeah, that was a good effort. He's hit that well. Yeah, I just can't believe he's missed that. I really can't believe he's missed that. One-on-one should be better.
Will he shoot? He's had a go. That's a poor ball. It's there! Oh!
He's the man with crowd are loving this.
You never quite know which way this game is going to turn. It's back on the knife edge with just one goal the difference, one goal the difference, one goal the difference. Right away once more. Scoreline 3-2. There's the full-time whistle.